we have to flush our water heater today. We should do this every year, but I haven't done it for I don't know how many years. So you're gonna have to connect a hose over there, open the valve, that's the discharge, and then close the cold water in, that's the water out, yes, hot water out. This is the release valve. We'll see how to do it. And then also, before doing anything, we have to open the circuit breaker. Let's see how to do this step by step. In my case, the breaker is this, position 10 and 12 together, so he has two. It was already marked, but you see it's a double breaker, because that's probably 240, so you need 250. So that's open. It means this guy is not gonna, the coil here is not gonna work, it's not gonna burn out. You don't want to burn it out while it is charged, to turn it on while you discharge the water, so it's gonna burn. So next, what we have to do, we have to connect a hose over there. Let's do this. Hose is connected. We're gonna have to open this valve. That's just a screw. With a screwdriver you can open. It's probably just a 90 degrees, and the water is gonna be allowed to go out. So first we have to close right there. It's very hard, so just look where the tag is, the input of the cold water, because if not we're gonna flush the whole house outside. Actually, we're gonna use that later. Let's start to empty the water from inside here a little bit. Then we are gonna use the cold to spray the bottom, so we're gonna make the sediment moves a little bit, and it's gonna go out a little bit easier, because it probably doesn't go out at all because it's all sitting in the bottom. And to make the water flow out, we're gonna have to open the release valve, because that's the fastest way to put air inside the tank so the water can go out. Because in this moment no water is going out, it's going in from here, so also the water from there is not going to go out at all. I can show you the other side of the hose. The only way is to open the valve. Let me show you the other side of the hose. Okay, so this is the other side. Be careful because the water is going to be hot. So see, right now nothing's coming out. Just put it in a place where nobody's going to touch it, and don't make it go into your plant, if not you're going to burn it. Let's open. Sorry, I didn't open this yet, so for sure. Okay, now this one you have to open all the way. You see, water went out for a little bit, but now it stopped because of the air. Let me show you again. See, no water at the end yet. Okay, right now we're gonna lift this release valve, and you will hear that the water is gonna start to go out pretty quick. Eccola là. You hear that? Pop, 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 pop. Let's go see the other side. Look at that. The water is pretty dirty. Yeah, because we didn't clean it for a while. Just the beginning. But anyway, once most of the water is gonna be out, we are gonna start to flush the cold water inside to, you know, shake it a little bit the bottom, so the sediment they're gonna come out again. Actually, it was not really bad. Yeah, I'm collecting the water here to show you that the water is not gonna be dirty on the top, because the sediment are on the bottom, so they just come out. Have you seen the first few seconds of dirty water? Because that's what's sitting right there at the exit, and then the rest is going to stay inside. So even if you completely discharge your heater, all the sediment is going to stay in the bottom and nothing's going to happen. So what you have to do is that once the heater is gonna be almost empty, you open the cold water for a few seconds. I'm gonna show you, and that makes the bottom of the water mix really quick, and hopefully some sediment is gonna come out. Well, you can tell there is some part of black stuff in the bottom, but not really that much. Right here we cannot see anything, but I can tell you that there's something dirt inside, but not really what we want. See, and this water right now was not hot because our heater actually is pretty fast. It heats the water right away while you cold the hot water from the inside of the house, so it's not really hot. Idea of how long it's gonna take to completely discharge the heater. If you get my heater is 40 gallons, so we get, I'm actually measuring now how long it takes to fill 1 gallon, and I can have an idea how long it's gonna take to completely flush the water out of my heater. It's probably gonna be at least 40 minutes because, see, or more than that, because actually it's already 30 seconds and it's not here in half. So it's gonna be about 40 minutes to 1 hour. But I'm gonna start to do the injecting the cold water very fast for a short period of time, maybe in about 20 minutes, because I don't want to be really empty with the water when I do that. You see, right now it's almost a minute and we have half, so it's not really, it's gonna take probably 1 hour, 1 hour and 20 minutes, 1 hour and a half to completely. And you see right now inside it's pretty clean. Yeah, because once you start the flow, the dirt is not gonna come out anymore. So that's the problem. So you're basically taking out water but not doing anything to the, you're not flushing, you're not cleaning the bottom of the reservoir at all. You can see the water coming out right now is pretty clean. You may see some black particles, you see that? Just a little bit. But I'm sure when I'm gonna spray the cold water inside, I'm gonna get much more. And to show you, I'm gonna leave a bottle connected to here while I go inside, because I'm by myself. I go inside to open the cold water, and I'm gonna show you how much sediment I'm gonna get into the bottle. Now I'm gonna go inside and flush cold water inside the tank. Let's see how much dirt is gonna come out. Wait for me. Did you see anything? Okay, something came out. See that? No more water, because now I created like a siphon. Let me try to put some more water again. Let's try again. See that? That's a continuous flow. What's up? Not too much. Let's try again with another angle. Nothing serious. When the flow stopped, it means you're done. So what you want to do is close the relief valve. Make sure it's free like that, because that's an emergency. In case the pressure built into your heater, this has to open and release the pressure. And at this point, did you hear? Well, now it's not going out anymore. Just make sure this is tight, because now once you remove this, the water is gonna go out. Keeps this high. At least the water is not gonna come back into the hose from the outside. So I put it in a higher position, so it's gonna keep discharging to the outside. And now we can open the cold water again and give power. Just wait. I will wait 5 to 10 minutes for this to be filled again. You can hear the noise. Actually, you can leave this here and see how long this noise is gonna last. And once it's full, most of it, you see, it already went down like a minute. That's this point you can open the heater again. Anyways, until you don't open the hot water from any tap or any sink inside the house, nothing's gonna happen. Heater on. That's it. Job done. See? That's open. Woohoo! It's starting. So it probably has like a warming up cycle all the time.